Hey, in this video, I will show you how to delete send friend requests on Snapchat. This works in 2023. It's very simple. So make sure you like the video and hit the subscribe button. So first of all, when you add someone, when you send him a friend request, he normally appears in your friend list right here, right? So if he has accepted the request, you see him here, but pretty much everyone on Instagram just has an account where you could just add them. So if you want to remove someone, right, you've sent him a request, but you do not see him here for some reason, all you have to do is click on add friends. And for example, let's say that this friend is called Hey. All you have to do is click on this friend's profile. Let's say you've sent the request, just like here. You want to click on the three dashes at the top right corner, manage friends, remove friends. That's all you have to do to do that. If you still have this issue, if you still have any questions about that, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. See you next video.